Hey everyone, it's Christy with Anchor Life 5. Thanks for stopping by and joining me for a few minutes today. I have an unboxing to share with you all. This is the Bloom box from the Happy Planner. It is their new box that is currently out. So this is how it came. It says, "Keep Bloomin', the Happy Planner." Let's go ahead and open it up. Let's remove that piece of cardboard. And it says, "She's a wildflower." How I love, love, love all the tissue that they use. And I can never, oh goodness, I'm going to try to save the sticker and the tissue. That's not going to happen. So at least I can save the tissue, I think. Maybe. Okay, there we go. So beautiful, beautiful tissue paper. So Bloom Bundle, the Happy Planner. Inside of here, you are getting two 20-sheet sticker books and two 30-sheet sticker books and your sticker book storage box. So warm weather is just around the corner, so let's begin. Bring out the bright florals and beautiful blooms. Everything in this bundle is perfect for spring planning. We hope that you're inspired to live colorfully and grow a happy life. All right. Take that out. And let's go ahead and take everything out of here so we can have more room. Ooh, sorry guys. All right, so here is the Happy Planner sticker book storage. It fits into your Raskog cart. It says 23 pieces. What? How can there be 23 pieces? So, I don't know. Let's see. Includes custom labels, sticker storage book. Look at that, custom labels. Oh. So let's see how to do this. Look how pretty. Plan a happy life. Okay, so we need to, okay, here's your labels. There must be 22 of those. That's why it says 23. And, oh, how easy. And you just pop it open and then take off the little stickies, stick it together, and there is your box. Just like that. Awesome. So I will do this when I get ready to put it in my Raskog. So let's go ahead and look at the sticker books. The first one is Gardening. 246 pieces. Beautiful. The floral stickers are some of my favorite ones to use in my planners. So these are kind of darker colors rather than the pastel colors. There is that one. And then we have Gardening 2. So just kind of to coordinate with the other book. Look at the chickens. There's that one. And then we have let's see, detailed flowers. 500 pieces. And here you've got your floral flowers. There's your rose gold. I like these, take note. And I love how this, like the books, the whole complete books coordinate with each other. Love, love, love the big florals. Those are great for your monthly layouts. And then the last one is just called Flowers. Which I think, did I buy this one? No. Yes, I did. I think I already have this one, but hey, now I have 2 of them because I've already used quite a few of these. Love the purples and the reds. So that is it. That is everything that you would get in the Happy Planner Bloom box. I think it is a great deal. You know, your sticker books are normally 20 bucks a piece. You've got 4, plus you've got your storage box. So it is truly a great deal for all of you planners out there. So thanks so much for stopping by and joining me. Don't forget to comment, share, like, and subscribe. And until next time, bye guys.